Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set Google Chrome as your default web browser on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen. It should be represented by three dots stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and left click on that, and now you want to select Settings. So now on the left side, you want to select Default Browser. Go ahead and left click on that. So now where it says Default Browser, make Google Chrome the default browser. Go ahead and select Make Default. This will be a little shortcut to get us to the default app section in Windows 10. And where it says Web Browser, click inside of whatever's listed in here and choose an app. Select Google Chrome. And that should really be about it, guys. Might take a moment here. And now you go. Google Chrome will be the default browser that web links will open to if anything is required to open up. So you click on a hyperlink on a PDF or a Word document, it should automatically launch on a web browser now. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.